Hello everyone, this is Priyanka and today we are going to talk about logbook niches that you can start working on. Q4 is already started and I'm talking about the series in which I have covered the topics such as word searches, logbooks, coloring books are coming in the near future and many more. So today I have picked some top niches in the logbook niches where you can start working right now and which are profitable obviously. So if you have already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it, and if you haven't done yet, please go ahead and share and subscribe and learn from my videos because this channel is all about knowledge and experience and the things that are working out. Okay. So the first and the foremost niche that I'm going to talk about is blood pressure logbook for seniors large print, and this is quite famous niche. So if you will search only blood pressure logbook, it is going to give you a lot of search results, but you have to look for sub niches which are actually profitable, right? So in that case, blood pressure logbook for seniors large print is quite profitable because the search result is only 116, which is quite good. We always look for 1000 or less than 1000, so it is satisfying our first criteria. Now we have to look for 3 books with the rank with the BSR less than 300,000 or equal to 300,000. So we will go down and we will see the 3 books. We will not consider the sponsored one because obviously they are paying to get ranked on the first page. So yeah, so we will just move ahead and we will get this our first book, that is this one. Its ranking is 231,430, which is good. Now we will move ahead and we will look for second book, and this is the second book, 255,430. Now we are looking for third book, and this is the one, 164,212. So we already got 3 books which is profitable, and I can say that you can start and go ahead and start working on this niche. Make sure that your cover looks different and attractive from the rest of these books. Okay. Now the second niche I want to talk about is blood pressure and diabetic logbook for daily blood sugar tracking. So in that case, you can see the search result is 268, which is good. And next I want 3 books. The first one is this one, 255,430. The second one is this one, you can say 34,948. It is selling a lot of books. The third one is this one, that is 175,882. So this is the second niche that you can start working on. So if you are wondering how I can make the interior and everything else, I have talked a lot about making covers in my previous videos. If you haven't checked it out, please go ahead and watch it. How to make covers, how to make attractive covers, etc. How to do the research. And if you're looking for the interiors, you can go ahead and you can check Creative Fabrica, link is in my description, or Krela, link is in my description. You can go ahead and you can buy one for yourself. So now we are going to go ahead into the third book niche. The third niche is we are going to talk about is book review journal reading log for kids. The search result is 297, which is good. You can go ahead and you can check it out for yourself. Now moving forward, we are looking for 3 books with BSR less than 300,000. So these all are sponsored one. That means they are paying to get ranked. So obviously we are not going to consider it. Now we have this one, which is 274,774, which is good. We are going to consider it. The second one is this one, 188,657, which is again good, and I'm going to consider it. The third one is this one, reading log. This is 261,606, which is good. That means I have already got our 3 books, which is ranking good and they are selling good. So obviously you can go ahead and you can check it out the interior. For example, let's consider this one. I will go ahead and I will look for the interiors, but obviously this is logbook, so I cannot see it. But if you will go into the Creative Fabrica or Krela or whatever site you use, link is in the description. If you can go ahead, you can find a lot of reading books, logbooks there. You can get it for yourself. Do not forget to modify it and then upload it. Okay. Also, you can make much better I say cover for these books if you want to get spot on and if you want to get noticed. So yeah, the fourth logbook niche that I want to talk about is mileage logbook car track for business auto driving. You can see here the search result is 191, which is again very good. Now we're looking for three books with BSR 300,000. The first one is this one, 27911. The second one is, let's move ahead and we will see it for yourself. The second one is this one, 16658. They are selling a lot of books in a day. Okay. The third one is this one, 144,018. So we already got our three books and we already got our fourth profitable niche that you can start working on. The next one is vehicle maintenance logbook car service record. Here you can see the search result is 521. You can just pause the video and you can note down the niches that I have already discussed and you can start working on this. So the search result is 521, which is again good, and we have to look for three books. This one is 12766. We got first one, we got second one, 13505. We got third one, 199,340. We got fourth one, 109,278. So already we got a lot of books. So yeah, it is profitable and you can start working on it. So the next is dive logbook, scuba diving logbook. So this is the search result 205, which is good, and we are looking for three books. So this one is a scuba dive logbook and the search result is 113,286. The second one is, we will move forward, we will see this one, 133,799. So yeah, it is profitable, although we found two books, but I would give it a shot and I will go for and make the books. One thing here I would like to mention is, as you can see, this book, it is from book 1 of 1 logbooks and it is published on May 26, 2021, right? Again, someone tried to copy it on October 13 to 2022 and the same cover has been copied. So, and it is by some other author, that is Michael Mania whatever, and its ranking you can see. So this person has clearly tried to copy the exact cover from this one of the best-selling books. So obviously you do not have to do that. Obviously, if this person finds out and if it got to know that someone is copying their exact design without any changes in color or changes in look or whatever, so obviously they can just claim a copyright or whatever, or this person can get in trouble, right? So obviously we do not want it, and whenever you are making your covers, make sure you do it by your own creativity, not just stealing someone else design. You just have to put your own style, your own colors, your own, you can take inspiration obviously, but you cannot just go ahead and you cannot just do it what it looks like the previous one. Okay, so yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please let me know in the comment section below, and please motivate my channel, motivate me, because this is the only way through which I get the motivation, by increasing subscribers, by people sharing my channel all over the social media, sharing with each other, getting something from it, implementing it, etc, etc. So yeah, that's all for the day, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next video.